How to grip your skateboard 101. TJ got kicks 89. We're gonna grip this Baker Dustin Dolan board that I got from Raintown Skate Shop in Kampar, Perak. So first thing you want to do, you want to take the plastic off. Then there's different types of grip tapes, but this is one that I got from Showroom Skate. Shout out to Jeff for including this in my independent trucks purchase from him. This is a perforated mob grip style one, so that makes sure that no air bubbles get trapped. So after you take out the plastic, you make sure that everything is clean, so that a lot of stuff will get trapped in here, causing inconsistencies and all that. So as soon as you're done, take off the grip. It's actually the first time I'm using perforated grip, so then take your file, start filing. So as soon as you're done filing, you should have like a template outline looking something like this. Then you want to take your blade, start making an indent nearby the flat, which is before the concave starts to raise up, because that's a good place to kind of start cutting all the way down there, down this way. Oh yeah, and also a tip, like make sure your knife is actually sharp enough, because if it's blunt, it's not going to create like a clean cut, and you're going to have like all sorts of funny shit going all the way around your grip tape. You're going to have like jagged edges. You don't want that. Alright, so you should have those indents, cutaways. Now's the fun part. This is where you start cutting off. Alright, so probably not going to be able to see this really carefully, but you're going to take this and pull towards you. Okay? Oh yeah, and one other thing that I used to make mistakes as when I was a kid, gripping my own board, was that the stuff would get caught on this, on like the lip, like where the bends start. And just try to pull that away little by little as you're going along. So let's see if this works. Kind of a clean cut, kind of not too clean still, but yeah, pretty happy nonetheless. So you're just gonna keep doing this, and I'll probably just keep doing it for you guys. Then when you're done, what you want to do is you want to sand around the board. This makes sure that the grit sticks to the board. and you don't have like pieces coming up, which will affect the longevity of the grip. Voila. How do we flip this around? There we go. No grip.